Hello and welcome to Learn English, Love English. Today, we're diving into a fascinating scene from William Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. Act 2, Scene 3, is full of excitement and tension as we follow the events leading up to an important moment in the story. Whether you're here to improve your English skills or simply to enjoy a classic piece of literature, you're in the right place. Let's explore how love, disguise, and difficult choices play out in this unforgettable scene. Act 2, Scene 3, setting Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Lancelot.
Lancelot, I am truly sad that you're leaving my father's service. Our house feels like hell because of his behavior, but your cheerful presence made it less dull. Here, take this gold coin and this letter for Lorenzo. Please deliver it secretly. I don't want my father to see us talking. I plan to run away with Lorenzo tonight.
Goodbye, Jessica. I feel so sad. I even cry a little. You are the most beautiful and sweetest Jew I have ever known. Goodbye again. I will miss you.
Farewell, Lancelot.
After he leaves, I feel guilty for being ashamed of my father. While I share his blood, I do not share his behavior. I hope Lorenzo will keep his promise to marry me so I can escape my father's control, convert to Christianity, and become Lorenzo's loving wife.
That wraps up our exploration of Act 2, Scene 3 from The Merchant of Venice. We hope you enjoyed this dive into Shakespeare's world and learned something new along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English, Love English for more literary insights and language lessons. Keep practicing, and remember, the more you engage with English, the more confident you'll become. See you in the next video.